How to play the split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Hey guys, let's get started. As you might know, Fortnite introduced split screen on various platforms like PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. But what about Nintendo Switch? Can we play split screen on it? Let's find out. On other platforms, the process is pretty easy. You just connect a second controller, assign it to a user account, and you will see the option to start split screen. However, it is a different story for Nintendo Switch. Despite connecting a second controller, whether it is Joy-Con or Pro controller, there is no option to enable the split screen in Fortnite on the Switch. This might be due to the hardware limitations of the Switch. The Switch might struggle with rendering two players at once, which could be why split screen is not supported. So as of now, there is no such split screen gameplay in Fortnite available on Nintendo Switch. In a more powerful version of the Switch in the future, we might see the split screen. Hopefully, this clears up any questions you had about it. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.